Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai, and today I'll show you how to connect Shopify to Power BI. Before you get started, please make sure that you have admin rights to install an app onto your Shopify store before you proceed further. Then also make sure that you have some data in your Shopify store. Once these conditions are met, let's get started with the onboarding itself. Now, what you need to do here is you need to create an account at onboard.windsor.ai, and then you click on Shopify, and then you can click on Shopify install app. Then you paste your store URL in here, click on grant access, and then your app will be installed. Once this is done, you be directed back into this screen, and then in here you will be able to see your Shopify store appearing. Now, in case you're an agency or you have multiple stores, you can repeat that process with as many stores as you want. And once you are done with connecting all your stores, you then head to preview and destination. Now in here, you select the data source. I have a few of them. In your case, it's likely only going to be Shopify. So you click on Shopify here. And now it's time to decide what data we want to get over into Power BI. Today, I want to load the orders table from Shopify into Power BI. So I click on Get Data here. And now I toggle to include today because I only just generated the sample data set today so that I have some data which I can transfer over. Now we see here that we have sample records. And as a next step, we click on Power BI Desktop. Now we see a long URL here, which contains all the fields which belong to the orders report. Click Copy, and then I go into Power BI. Now, once I'm in here, I click on Get Data from Web. Then I paste the URL, click OK, and then the data is loading. Now the preview is loading. Now the preview is loaded, and I see a preview of the data in the same as I have been able to see here. Now I click Close and Apply, and then the data is available inside Power BI. Now you can see here, we get all the different fields available, so you could start putting them into a table. So I would like to have, say, order ID and the net sales amount of the order. Now, as a next step, you would repeat that process for all the objects you would like to have available in Power BI, and then you're up and running with your Power BI report. Now, to shortcut all of this, we have also created a template which you can find on our website. I'll also put the link below in the description of this video, so you can get started with this right away. And it contains tables, visuals, whatever you'd like. It contains tables and visuals, so you don't have to start from scratch. Thanks very much for watching, and enjoy working with our connectors.